If you're looking for a gaming PC that looks as good as it performs, the Skytech Crystal definitely catches the eye. The first thing you'll notice is the sleek glass panel design and impressive RGB lighting, giving it that premium gaming setup vibe right out of the box. Performance-wise, the Skytech Crystal handles modern games smoothly, especially at 1080p and 1440p resolutions. Depending on the configuration you choose, you can expect solid frame rates in popular titles like Call of Duty, Fortnite, and Cyberpunk 2077. It also stays surprisingly quiet under load, which is a nice bonus. Another thing I like is that it comes pre-built and ready to go, making it a great option for people who don't want the hassle of building a PC themselves. That said, you're paying a bit extra for the convenience and aesthetics. If you're comfortable building your own system, you might get slightly better value elsewhere. Overall, the Skytech Crystal is a stylish, capable gaming PC that's easy to recommend for gamers who want strong performance and a premium look without the DIY process.